Hey there. So there's a few issues to correct for this week's quizzes for both of them actually. The first one is for Texas Civics. There's a drag and drop question in there that is just not working at all. You can see right here the other two have 100% accuracy, and this has 7.6%. Not good. Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna head on over to questions. I've already deleted it out of mine, but you can also delete it out of yours. This is the only fix for that question right now. The way you delete a question is to simply click on the three dots on the right hand side and press delete. I'm not going to do that for this question because I don't want to delete it. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to delete it. Go ahead and say yes, and now you just have a two question quiz, and that's what we're going to stick with for this week. I know that's short and sweet, but that's definitely much better than answering 100 questions on this one. And then the next one is in session 2. It's the very last question in the coronavirus assessment. Right here, go to questions, and then scroll all the way down to question number 7. Just go ahead and click on it, and it'll bring you to all of the selections for it. So it was at exact match in the beginning, and that means they had to say yes and no. And so what you need to do is select partial match, so that if they select yes or if they select no, depending on their judgment call, depending on their viewpoint, it will take either one of those, or it should take either one of those, okay? Go ahead and select that and then do save, and it will be in there set up for you, hopefully ready to go. If you have any questions, shoot me an email and I'll be glad to help you.